Hello my amazing YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of pimples in 1 week. This also works for acne scars and leftover pimple marks. Obviously the result won't be overnight, but if you use it regularly, you will definitely see the results in 1 week. I guarantee you. So our first ingredient is oats. Guys, oats is not only healthy for our body but also for our skin. It has anti-inflammation, hence killing pimple-causing bacteria. Our second ingredient is rose petal powder. Guys, I cannot talk enough about this ingredient. It's just so wonderful. It helps in maintaining pH balance of the skin, hence soothes any skin irritation. It has been used since ancient times for skin purposes. Rose petal powder works as all-in-one beauty essential for the skin. It is rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants, hence works as a natural toner for the skin. It's very easy to make rose petal powder. You need to dry up all the rose petals and grind it into the mixture. And hence you'll be getting rose petal powder. So it's damn easy. So first I'm taking 1 tablespoon of oats. Then I'm taking 1 teaspoon of rose petal powder. Now I'm going to mix both the ingredients well. You can store it into the dry form. And when you want to use it, you can add water gradually. You just need to add a little bit of water. You can also add milk if you have really dry skin. But due to monsoon, my skin becomes really very oily. So I don't like milk. So this is the consistency of the oatmeal mask. You can either apply it all over your face or you can only apply it on your acne prone area and leave it overnight. You will definitely see the results the next day. So this is it guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you all like it. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Until next time, thank you so much.